Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Update Nvidia drivers and open GeForce Experience so the highlights control exists. Once done, close Warthunder and any overlays to avoid conflicts. Now open GeForce Experience, click the Overlay button, and navigate to Settings highlights immediately. You're doing this to stop the capture hook Warthunder exposes. Start disabling at the app level rather than in-game, because the overlay can reactivate captures if the global hook remains. Next, go into the Nvidia overlay and open Highlights, then the Games section. You'll find Warthunder listed, toggle highlights off specifically for that title, and then dive into capture types to turn off instant replay, milestones, and auto highlights. Make sure to save or exit the overlay so settings persist. You do this because per-game toggles prevent the overlay from attaching to Warthunder's process, while preserving highlights for other games if you want them enabled. Finally, restart GeForce Experience and then launch Warthunder to verify captures stopped. If you still see recordings, return to the overlay and disable global highlights entirely. This prevents any automatic reattachment. As a troubleshooting tip, if highlights persist after these steps, stop Nvidia container and related services or uninstall GeForce Experience. This is the only way to guarantee no background capture. If you choose services, restart your PC afterward and recheck. That clears any lingering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.